that is a honking huge root ball.
Or if you take those forks and play up and down, and let that dirt dry a little.
It sunk in over here when it went.
What's that?
It sunk in.
The dirt down. Well, the weight, I suppose, is all right there.
Wow. Wow.
You know, the first 2 times you hit it, I ain't going nowhere.
Well, I pushed with the skid steer, and I saw it
The top
wiggle.
move?
Yeah.
Okay, now.
So I was like, well, let me go get the. Wow, that was a.
Somebody likes you.
That just about.
Perfect. You know what you're doing. You've had a plan. That's what you're both to say. That's how you do it.
Well, I was just lucky that it was so leaning anyway. Woo! That is.
What are you doing? It's just the way it's supposed to be.
That was planned. Perfect.
God, I was pretty close to the second.
I know. Look how close it is to the second one. Yeah, you can't drive a car in here.
Well, that's what you had planned.
Woo!
Oh, that would have been me. Would have smacked on both sides of that. It's going to be kind of out where you get tired. Got the tank off a little bit. Decent firewood. You know what it is.
I don't.
No idea.
I'm worried about the root ball now. I thought I was going to be able to do something, but.
Get a hole over here and bury it.
Well, no, that's the whole point of getting it out.
Over there, I
Oh. That is just.
Well, see how much is up there? There's got to be something down there to hold it up there.
Well, that's as far as I got done digging right there.
Yeah, so you pulled up about 2 feet of dirt.
I went in there about 2 foot. Wow.
That dries real good. Probably pound something up. That's with that deep little bucket. I feel here.
Oh, yeah.
Smaller one might be better.
That rock bucket
How did that work?
that was doing pretty good. It was doing,
It just looked
doing pretty
cool.
good.
Nothing else.
Yeah, that is.
Well, the edges, the sharp edges on the side, you know.
Oh yeah, the what is it? The look. What is it? The Mad Max.
Mad Max.
Mad Max.
Seen that show in here.
Ah, that thing is not going to pick that root ball up. If it can't pick up the root ball, I don't know what to do. I'm at a loss. Well, turn this off.